Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to stretch it a little bit so you can see it. It's a really pretty simple stitch, but look at this, it's really nice as well, and it's quite a nice stable stitch. I mean, it holds its own no matter what way you throw it around. It's perfect for a baby pram or a baby blanket, and or in a stroller, anywhere, even a lap blanket. And this is so easy to do. It's a double crochet, and I'm going to show you how to do it with all these little mesh. It's almost like a small mesh, but when it's like this, it looks like a little brick wall. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. Now, the smaller the hook, the smaller your stitch is going to be. It's quite a sort of stretchy stitch as well. Look, it's quite pretty. I really like it. You can see the mesh. You can use this stitch with string, and you can actually make shopping bags with it. Those little string bags that you can put in your handbag and then take it shopping with you. And I like it. I think it's a really nice stitch. Anyway, I've got a 5mm crochet hook. It's done in sets of 2 stitches, so an even number of stitches, and I'm just going to do a chain. I'll do a quick sample for you for this blanket. So just do your chain, whatever size, whatever length that you want it. So I'll do this amount of it. So just turn your chain around, and you can see those little long lines. I'm going to pick my stitches up from here. I'm going to do a double crochet stitch. If you're in the USA or another country, it's a single crochet stitch. In the UK, it's a double crochet stitch. So we'll put the hook straight through the stitch, put your yarn over and pull it through, then yarn over and pull through your 2 loops. We're going to do that all the way along the chain, all the way along to the end. So I've got my foundation chain done. It's really bright outside today. What you're going to do now is you're going to chain 2, 1, 2 and turn. Now you're going to skip that stitch. Don't work into that one here, because that belongs to that chain. Skip the next stitch, and into this stitch you're going to put a double crochet. So if you're in the USA, that's a single crochet. If you're in the UK, it's a double crochet. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next one. Chain 2, skip 1, double crochet, chain 2, skip a stitch and double crochet all the way along. Chain 2, skip 1, chain 2, skip 1, double crochet. So I've done my chain 2, skip 1 and then double crochet right to the end, and I've got my last stitch on. Now remember, this is a double crochet, don't do a treble crochet. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2 and turn. Now from now on we're going to be working in the chain spaces. These chain spaces here, these little loops that we've made, and we're always going to be doing chain 2 and a double crochet. If you're in the USA, it's chain 2 and a single crochet. So go into that chain space and do your double crochet. Chain 2, told you this was so easy, into the next chain space and double crochet. Chain 2, into the next space, and that's it. That's all you do for this stitch. That's it, so easy. 1, chain 2, into the chain space and do your double crochet, chain 2, into the chain space and double crochet. And this is what you're going to repeat. Just remember that you've got a space here as well. Sometimes it doesn't look like you've got a stitch there, but you have. You've got a stitch there like that. So go into that last space and then you do your chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to go into the top of that end. So sometimes that stitch from that chain 2 there hides it. So make sure that you pull that back there and go in to the top of that chain 2 that you've got here. Keep your edge nice and straight and do your stitch. So you're going to chain 2, 1, 2 and turn, and you're going to go in to that chain space there, double crochet into that chain space, and that'll be your space for when you come back. You'll do your work into this last little chain space here. So chain 2, 1, 2, you're just going to keep repeating this and then go into that chain space and do your double crochet, chain 2 into the next chain space and double crochet all the way along and work into the chain space. For every single row that you do to the length or to the height that you want your blanket to be. I told you this is so simple. It is so easy. And that's what you get. Now, and it is so pretty. It's sort of kind of a stretchy stitch as well because of the way you're doing that little mesh stitch. It's almost like a little brickwork. And it's pretty, it's nice as well. Look at that, and look at that really pretty simple stitch. So please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button, give the video the thumbs up if you like it, and then click on the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.